Stop making dry kebabs. I have come up with the most juiciest recipe for you guys to try. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share a step-by-step tutorial on how I made the most succulent chicken kebabs. All of the ingredients I used are in the description below, so I'm going to start by mincing up some onions. I'm going to use my Ninja chopper because it's the fastest way. A very important step is to drain out all of the water from the onions. If you don't, the kebabs will not bind and they won't take their shape. So I'm just going to chop up some green chilies. You can mince these in with the onions, but I decided to chop them. So here I have 2 kg of chicken mince. So I'm going to add the minced onions, some green chilies and some coriander. I'm now going to add all of the dry spices I have listed in the description below. I have also added some garlic and ginger paste. And to maximise the flavour, I'm going to coarsely grind some cumin seeds and some coriander seeds. I'm going to add that to the mince along with 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. I'm going to mix that really well and let it sit in the fridge for around 2 to 3 hours. Meanwhile, I'm going to make some chutney to go with the kebabs. And again, I'm going to use my Ninja chopper because it saves me around 10 hours. So you can use as many green chilies as you like, depending on how spicy you like the chutney. So I'm just going to add my yogurt. So the spicier you want your chutney to be, the less yogurt you would add. I'm going to use these metal seeks today, but if you don't have any, you can just make the shapes of the kebabs and lay them out on the tray. And of course, my niece is here and she wants her lemon.
I'll make you my lemon.
So this is my niece every time she's told to leave the kitchen. She just wants me, and Popo means auntie for those of you who don't know what that means. So my niece has now gone. I'm just going to carry on building them seeks. And they are all done. I'm going to grill them in the oven for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. And they're all done. Chicken thigh never needs to be cooked for too long, so I took them out just in time. I brushed them with desi ghee and I served them in sandwiches. And that's how I make my quick and easy chicken kebabs. You can also use lamb or beef depending on what you like. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And that's it for now. See you next time.